Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I will show you how face unlock works in this smartphone. So let's make a few tries. Let's see how it performs. So as you can see, right now it's reliable. It recognizes my face every time, and it works not that bad, but unfortunately it might be a little bit faster, because when we tap on the button we have to swipe like that. Without that option it will be definitely faster, but let me see if we can get rid of that when we go for the options. So it will probably in the face recognition option. Okay, no, there's no way to get rid of that swipe. So unfortunately, we have to stay with this option. We have to swipe, and after that, the phone will be unlocked. So yeah, it's reliable. It's not the fastest face unlock because we got this flip camera and it takes a little bit time to flip it, but it works not that bad. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.